Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Now, remember, Bitcoin have actually hit almost $35,000. It's amazing to see that BTC, all the way from $18,000 few months ago, is now trading at $34,000. And I believe this can also help Terra Classic, because if you take a look, it's that in the past 7 days, BTC have actually hit 13.79% increase in price in 7 days, and you see Terra Classic hitting over 10% increase in price. And I believe this revival is going to help Terra Classic. Okay, now I hope that if BTC continues to rise the way it is rising, you can see the market cap of Bitcoin is now hitting about $663.9 billion, almost $664 billion, all the way from $544 billion. So over 100 or $120 billion have been invested on Bitcoin alone. And of course, we also saw Terra Classic gaining almost $70 million because of this rise. So if this continues, it will help Terra Classic to keep rising. It will help Terra Classic to keep pumping. And right now, Terra Classic is trading with about 4 zeros. Wow, 4 zeros, which means if we decide to invest some little amount of money into Terra Classic LUNC, I believe that, imagine Terra Classic deleting 2 zeros is going to really return huge amount of profit. So, but the major thing here is for Bitcoin to continue to rise, or Bitcoin to continue to pump, because the king of all crypto coins right now is pumping, is almost hitting $35,000. And if Bitcoin eventually hits $40,000, believe me, BTC is going to cross $50,000 before the end of the year. Okay, and I also believe that Terra Classic also is going to really pump, it's going to really rise. Okay, so let's hope to see that the crypto industry keep on rising, and let's hope that next year 2025 is going to be one of the biggest year for crypto industry. Once again, please remember to subscribe to our channel as we keep on bringing in videos on how to make money online, how to make money working from home, and of course cryptocurrency. Once again, thank you for stopping by.